Hello, my name is Fidel, and this is the Atlantic DeFi Weekly Podcast, where we do a little brief of what's happening in the crypto markets, some opinions, and what we're going to look for within this week. Now, today is Monday, July the 14th, and I'm recording this at 7:52 Atlantic Eastern Time. We are sitting at a Bitcoin all-time high of $120,000. This is the first time Bitcoin has broken that price. It broke 123,000, the highest, within the last couple of hours. We're sitting at Ethereum at 3,000 and BNB at 691 and Solana at 162. XRP is at $2.95. We're going to break out $3 soon. The fear and greed index is a 70% greed, and it's 32 still Bitcoin season. It's moving more to the altcoin season, but it's taken a while. And it is going to take a while for several things that I'm going to say. We are in a market cap of 375 trillion, volume of $295 billion. Now, Bitcoin has been soaring, and it's going to keep soaring. Now, the reason why this is happening is because it's a lot of investors, not the retail investors. Now, remember, the previous markets of Bitcoins, the previous rallies, were done by a lot of retail investors and first-time believers, what we call whales. This time is institutional investors such as ETFs and banks like BlackRock, Bank of America that are now putting Bitcoin under their asset management. So Bitcoin is going to keep soaring for a couple of reasons. One, Bitcoin is becoming a safe asset and now is part of investment firms. So investment firms are going to keep buying Bitcoins and expect the rise of stocks regarding Bitcoin mining and exchanges to go up. So expect that. And also because of tariffs and political climate, people are looking this as a safe asset such as gold in order to get their things out because they don't want to be in Wall Street right now. Bitcoin is part of Wall Street, but it's a diversification of an asset. So definitely that's something to look out for. Now, we are going to go with another one that just got in. Pump That Fun. Pump That Fun, if you don't know, we talked about it last week. It is a platform that you can create meme tokens and sell it to other suckers, which I don't understand. It's supposed to be a fun platform, but it's a rug pull after a rug pull after. It's just for suckers. So anyways, they just released their Pump That Fun token. It's now 48 according to CoinMarketCap. Signet is Pump and is sitting at 5 cents, 0.005 cents. Now, this was an airdrop, so a lot of people probably are just dumping their token. So if you see, it just lost 21. It was at what, 8.08 cents. There was had an eye of 0.9 cents. And when you see this drop is because a lot of people that got an airdrop are just dumping the token. A lot of people that, they say, well, this is junk. Let me just give it to another sucker. So they're doing that. So that's what's happening. And they just released, I think it was today or yesterday. I think it was yesterday. So definitely don't buy. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. You do whatever you want. However, this is not something I'm interested or want to do. If you are thinking of, if you believe in the crypto space, this is fun. It looks fun. It sounds fun, but it's not something that I would do. So again, to each his own. Now, what are we going to look for in the next few weeks? In the next few weeks, again, the political climate's still very tense. So August is the new deadline for tariffs. The market is not really taking that in consideration. But we're going to see as the week goes, and we'll see how the United States does these deals. Also expect some altcoins to start kind of going up, depending on what they're looking for. I know XRP, Stellar is another one that's doing pretty good. So a lot of tokens in the altcoin season is going to be kind of happening. Not yet. I don't believe that's going to happen yet. I think it's going to take a little bit of time. But some coins are going to creep up. BNB probably is another one that's going to creep up because usually when Ethereum goes high, BNB kind of starts to chase a little bit of that. Solana as well. So we're going to keep on the lookout that. So go to our website, atlanticdefi.com. Check out this weekly newsletter. And again, for more information, check us out. Peace.